Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Many people will have seen the latest figures for new infections here in Manchester. It is not good reading. In fact, Manchester is in the top 5 of the highest number of cases in the country. That situation has been made worse by the number of students. We have over 80,000 students, and a lot of students have been infected. But there is still a considerable amount of household to household transmission. My plea and my request to everybody listening out there is to stick to the rules as much as possible. We do not want a second wave. We do not want a second peak, because what that will lead to is more hospitalization, more people falling seriously ill, and eventually, sadly, more fatalities. So certainly to the businesses, I know it's very difficult for the restaurants, the cafe trade, and the bars. It's not easy. You were just after July the 4th, when the restrictions were eased, getting back into some state of normality, and now that 10 p.m. curfew has been imposed on you. But it's absolutely imperative that we work together, and we know that when Manchester works together, the resilience is there. We will come through this. We will beat the virus, but we want to come through this as safely as possible, with as minimal as possible people falling ill, and as minimal as possible people who kind of sadly lose their lives to this virus.
Thank you.